How to choose the best cryptocurrency wallet for your needs. Are you new to the world of cryptocurrency and wondering how to keep your coins safe? The first step is to choose a cryptocurrency wallet that suits your needs. There are several types of cryptocurrency wallets to choose from, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys offline, making it a very secure option. A software wallet, on the other hand, is a program that you download onto your computer or mobile device. It's a convenient option for frequent trading or spending, but it's not as secure as a hardware wallet. A paper wallet is simply a piece of paper with your private keys written on it. When choosing a cryptocurrency wallet, it's important to consider factors such as security, ease of use, and compatibility with the coins you want to store. Make sure you do your research and choose a reputable wallet provider. The pros and cons of hardware wallets versus software wallets. So, you've decided to store your cryptocurrency in a wallet. But which type of wallet is best for you, hardware or software? A hardware wallet, as we mentioned earlier, is a physical device that stores your private keys offline. This makes it very secure, as it's not connected to the internet and is therefore immune to hacking attempts. However, hardware wallets can be more expensive and may have a steeper learning curve. A software wallet, on the other hand, is a program that you download onto your computer or mobile device. It's a convenient option for frequent trading or spending, but it's not as secure as a hardware wallet. If your computer or device is hacked, your private keys could be compromised. When deciding between a hardware or software wallet, consider factors such as security, convenience, and cost. Ultimately, the choice is up to you and your specific needs. How to set up and secure your cryptocurrency wallet. Setting up a cryptocurrency wallet can be a daunting task, but it's crucial to do it correctly in order to keep your coins safe. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choose a reputable wallet provider and download the wallet software. Create a new wallet and generate a private key in a seed phrase. Write down your seed phrase and store it somewhere safe. Transfer your coins to your new wallet. Enable two-factor authentication and other security features offered by your wallet provider. It's important to keep your private key and seed phrase safe and secure. Never share them with anyone. And store them in a location that only you can access. Consider using a hardware wallet for maximum security. Understanding the importance of private keys and seed phrases for your cryptocurrency wallet. Private keys and seed phrases are the backbone of your cryptocurrency wallet's security. A private key is a secret code that allows you to access your coins and make transactions. A seed phrase is a sequence of words that can be used to regenerate your private key if it's lost or stolen. It's important to keep your private key and seed phrase safe and secure. Never share them with anyone, and store them in a location that only you can access. Consider using a hardware wallet for maximum security. If you lose your private key or seed phrase, you may lose access to your coins forever. That's why it's important to back up your seed phrase and store it in a safe location. How to transfer funds between different cryptocurrency wallets. So, you've got multiple cryptocurrency wallets and you want to move some of your coins from one wallet to another. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Open the wallet that you want to send coins from and locate the Send button. Enter the amount of coins you want to send and the wallet address of the recipient. Review the transaction details and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed by the network. This may take a few minutes to several hours depending on the blockchain. It's important to double-check the wallet address before sending any coins. Sending coins to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of your funds. Also, be aware of any transaction fees that may be associated with the transfer. The risks of using a cryptocurrency exchange as a wallet and why you should consider a dedicated wallet instead. Many people make the mistake of using a cryptocurrency exchange as a wallet, but this can be risky. Here are some reasons why you should consider using a dedicated wallet instead. Security risks. Cryptocurrency exchanges are a prime target for hackers, and if the exchange is hacked, your funds could be at risk. Lack of control. When you use a cryptocurrency exchange as a wallet, you don't have complete control over your coins. The exchange may freeze your funds or limit your ability to withdraw them. Limited functionality. Cryptocurrency exchanges are designed primarily for trading, not for storing coins. They may not offer the same level of security or functionality as a dedicated wallet. Using a dedicated wallet, such as a hardware wallet or software wallet, can offer greater security and control over your coins. It's important to do your research and choose a reputable wallet provider that suits your specific needs.